Hi, Stephen Barrett here. This is the last in the series of videos on getting a mortgage. The first one was satisfying the central bank rules, and then we looked at satisfying the bank rules. And now I'm going to look at a few tips to help you get a mortgage, a few do's and don'ts to make the process as smooth as possible.
Okay, let's have a look at a few tips that will help you get your mortgage. Start off with the Irish Credit Bureau. That is your credit rating. Any loans that you get are the Irish Credit Bureau are notified, and they keep a record of any missed payments that you have. So you need to have a clean ICB record. It shows the banks that you pay your debts as they are due. They are softening slightly on having a less than 100% ICB record, but they are still very stringent. You may get away with having one missed payment, and it needs to be a good reason. Pepper mortgages will entertain two missed payments. Some of the other banks, most of the other banks won't. Employment record. You need to have 1 year of continuous employment and not on probation. If you're working on a contract basis, it's looked at on a case-by-case basis. You may need to submit your CV, provide details of the current contract you're working on. If you're self-employed, you're looking at 2 to 3 years accounts, depending on which lender you go to. Savings. The bank wants to see savings. This is really, really important. Open up a separate savings account and put money into it on a monthly basis. Fix a figure that you can afford so you don't have to dip into it, because the bank hate to see money coming back out, because it needs to be explained. So withdrawals have to be explained. They want to know what it's about. I get cases where people say they've saved £3,000 a month. £3,000 does go in after payday, but 1,000 comes out because they're putting in too much. So the banks won't entertain £3,000 a month when it obviously isn't. If you need to have a second savings account, open one up. Don't worry about having numerous savings accounts or bank accounts. If you need one just to put money away for holidays or Christmas that you can dip in and out of, have one too. If you pay off a loan early, put that money into savings account as well. Again, it's going to help. Personal debt. Get rid of your overdraft. Shows you're not living within your means. Pay off your credit card each month. Shows again that you are living within your means if you're paying off your debt in full every month. Any personal loans, try to pay them off before applying for your mortgage. It makes a big difference on how much you can apply for when you have no monthly commitments like that. So big no-nos, what to avoid. Referral fees or unpaid direct debits. 2 or 3 of them within a year, the bank will reject your application. Constantly in overdraft or withdrawing cash from credit card. It's purely using debt to fund your lifestyle. Banks won't like that because you're not living within your means. And regular online gambling, the banks will just run a mile if they see regular online gambling. They won't give you a loan, be rejected. So I hope that helps and gives you an idea of what to do before making an application for a mortgage. If you have any questions, you can drop me an email. My email address at the bottom there is stephen@bluewaterfp.ie, or you can go onto my website at bluewaterfp.ie. All the contact details are there. I hope to talk to you again soon. Thanks a million. See you. Bye.